on. Wait, let me get it going.
There it is.
Oh God.
Oh
you guys.
my.
Scan the whole rock. Go down. Go this way.
I can hardly see.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
Yeah. Come and then. Oh yeah. Now look out.
There's the wife. Are you scared for Thomas?
No.
No, because he's a frog.
Thomas.
He's a frog.
Okay.
No worries. Oh man, I want to be able to get the whole thing.
Well, here. Maybe. Do you want me to like stand back?
Why don't you do it?
Here. Wait.
You
You
follow
guys,
it.
this video is gonna need some
You-
major editing.
You are awesome.
You are.
Oh wait, no, that doesn't work. Hang on.
Do you want me to do it?
Maybe from down there. Yeah, here.
It feels so
Oh,
good
wait.
to be doing this. I mean, to be swimming.
Yeah. Oh.
Like a little flying
Okay.
squirrel. Get your feet.
Wait. Rochelle's got to record. Hang on here.
Hold on to that.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, Thomas. I wish I could do it vertical.
Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo.
Thomas
go, go.
DeLucy. Woo!
Oh. It is so cold.
If you get used to it, it won't be so bad.
Oh God.
Terrible?
So cool. I kind of like landed on my face now.
No, you kind of, no.